Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, because today, we're taking a close look at a vehicle that's turning heads across the auto world of the all-new 2025 Toyota JPN Auto Pickup 9-seater. This isn't just another pickup. This is Toyota's latest innovation, blending utility, comfort, and bold design into one impressive package. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 JPN Auto Pickup boasts a modern and aggressive stance. Toyota has completely revamped the design, giving it a muscular yet refined look. Up front, the grille is massive and features a new mesh pattern with a chrome outline that adds a premium touch. Flanking the grille are sleek, full LED headlamps with integrated DRLs that give it a signature appearance on the road. The bumper has been reshaped to enhance both aerodynamics and toughness, and it includes prominent fog lamp housings and skid plates, suggesting this pickup is ready for both city cruising and off-road adventures. Moving around the sides, you'll notice bold character lines that enhance its sculpted profile. The wheel arches are flared, giving it a rugged edge, and they house stylish 18 or 20-inch alloy wheels, depending on the variant. Toyota also offers dual-tone options for some trims, with contrast roof colors and matte black accents around the windows, side mirrors, and door handles. The pickup bed is wide and practical, equipped with a durable liner and multiple tie-down points for securing cargo. And yes, it includes an electric tailgate option for ease of access, especially helpful when your hands are full. Under the hood, the 2025 JPN Auto Pickup offers a powerful engine lineup. Toyota is rumored to include a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. There's also talk of a hybrid option, possibly a 2.5-liter petrol hybrid, offering improved fuel efficiency without compromising on power. Expect around 200 to 220 horsepower and excellent torque delivery, especially for towing or off-road driving. The drivetrain options include both rear-wheel and four-wheel drive configurations, making it a versatile choice for different driving needs. Now, in terms of size, this vehicle sits in the full-size pickup category, with an extended wheelbase that allows for the rare 9-seater configuration. That's right, 9 passengers in a pickup, which is practically unheard of in this segment. The chassis has been specially reinforced to handle this extra capacity without sacrificing performance or safety. Speaking of safety, Toyota has packed this model with its latest suite of driver assistance features. Expect to see adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and multiple airbags throughout the cabin. It's built not only to carry more people but to protect them as well. The suspension setup is also worth mentioning. It features a refined multi-link rear suspension and a stiffer frame that helps it maintain ride comfort even when fully loaded. Whether you're driving through city traffic, cruising down highways, or tackling rough terrain, the 2025 JPN Auto Pickup promises a smooth and confident ride. Overall, the 2025 Toyota JPN Auto Pickup 9-seater is a bold move from Toyota. It's more than a workhorse, it's a lifestyle vehicle, made for families, teams, or adventurers who need space, strength, and style in one package. Whether you're looking for a pickup to handle heavy-duty tasks or a spacious ride for the whole crew, this one should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about this 9-seater pickup, or would you consider it over an SUV or a van? And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews, previews, and comparisons. See you in the next one.